The 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, navigation system, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, traction control, power sunroof, backup camera, power liftgate, remote engine start, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, dual airbags, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, keyless start. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.